What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Consumer Picks. I'm your host, and for the past 8 months, I've been cooking on every gas range I could get my hands on. I'm talking about searing steaks, baking dozens of cookies, testing broilers, and basically turning my kitchen into a testing lab that would make Gordon Ramsay proud. My gas bill is through the roof. My neighbors think I'm running a restaurant, but I finally know which gas ranges actually deliver on their promises and which ones will leave you cursing every meal. Gas ranges are a serious investment. We're talking anywhere from under $1,000 to over $10,000 for the high-end models. The difference between a good range and a bad one can make or break your cooking game. I've tested everything from budget workhorses to professional-style beasts that cost more than my first car. Before we dive in, all the links to these ranges and any discount codes I managed to score are down in the description. Trust me, you'll want those discounts because some of these prices will make you question your priorities. Let's get cooking. I've been testing the KitchenAid 36-inch commercial-style range for 4 months, and if you're serious about baking, this thing is a monster. The spacious convection oven with roll-out racks that fit full-size cookie sheets has been a game-changer for my testing. The Even Heat True Convection system with that bow-tie-shaped heating element is the real deal. I did a torture test with 3 trays of cookies simultaneously, and the results were impressive. The top and middle racks achieved perfect browning, while the bottom rack showed only minimal unevenness, better than most ranges I tested. I've baked everything from delicate macarons to heavy casseroles, and the temperature consistency is excellent. Cakes come out uniformly browned with perfect texture, whether you use standard or convection mode. The 6-burner cooktop provides serious professional-level performance for everything from gentle simmering to high-heat searing. The smart features via the KitchenAid app work well, though I found myself wishing for more traditional timer options. The build quality feels solid, and after months of heavy testing, everything still operates smoothly. The 36-inch size means you need serious counter space, and the price puts it in premium territory. But if you do a lot of baking or need restaurant-level cooking capacity, the performance justifies the investment. The GE Profile Smart Range has been my testing partner for 5 months, and the Smart HQ app integration actually adds real value beyond just being a gimmick. The remote control and monitoring capabilities are genuinely useful, and the compatibility with Alexa and Google Home works seamlessly. The cooktop performance impressed me consistently. The variety of burner outputs, from the 5,000 BTU simmer burner to the 21,000 BTU power burner, covers every cooking scenario I threw at it. Water boiling times were among the fastest I tested, and the heat distribution was remarkably even. The True Convection oven performed well in my testing, with even heat distribution and excellent broiling results. I tested steaks, and they came out perfectly browned with consistent cooking throughout. The temperature accuracy remained stable across different cooking modes. The ease of use is excellent. Controls are intuitive and well lit. The only minor complaint is that the grate configuration requires some extra care during cleaning, but that's a small trade-off for the performance. The smart features aren't just novelty. Being able to preheat remotely or get alerts when cooking is done actually improves the cooking experience. For tech-savvy cooks who want solid performance with modern convenience, this delivers. I've been testing the Samsung Flex Duo for 3 months, and the ceramic divider system that converts one large oven into 2 smaller cavities is genuinely useful. Being able to broil fish on top while baking potatoes below saves time and energy. The dual-fuel design combining a gas cooktop with an electric oven provides the best of both worlds. The gas burners give you instant heat control, while the electric oven delivers more even baking results than most gas ovens I've tested. The Wi-Fi and voice control features work reliably, and the included accessories like the griddle and air fry tray add versatility right out of the box. The air fryer function works well, though like most oven-based air fryers, it produces more smoke and smell than dedicated units. The control dials are bright and easy to read, making adjustments simple even in low light. The build quality feels solid, and the stainless steel finish resists fingerprints better than some competitors. The flexibility to switch between single large oven and dual smaller ovens makes this perfect for families or anyone who does a lot of batch cooking. The learning curve for the divider system is minimal, and once you get used to it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. The Maytag MGR6600PZ has been my go-to recommendation for budget-conscious buyers for 6 months now. This range proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get solid cooking performance. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish has held up well to daily use and testing. The 5-burner configuration with a center burner is perfect for large Dutch ovens or griddles, something you don't always get in this price range. In my testing, water maintained consistent simmers without the temperature fluctuations I've seen in cheaper ranges. Bread and baked goods came out evenly browned, and the oven temperature stayed accurate throughout long cooking sessions. The self-cleaning function works effectively, and the keep warm setting is genuinely useful for maintaining sauces while you finish other dishes. I wish it retained the air frying capabilities of the previous model, but that's a minor complaint at this price point. After months of heavy testing, everything still operates smoothly. The burners light reliably, the oven heats evenly, and the controls feel solid. For families or casual cooks who want reliable performance without premium pricing, this delivers excellent value. I've been testing the LG 30-inch Smart Slide-In range for 4 months, and it's loaded with features that actually enhance the cooking experience. The spacious convection oven with air fry, air sous vide, and that knock-to-see window are more than just gimmicks. The balanced cooktop provided excellent heat distribution in my testing. Water boiled quickly and evenly, and I could maintain delicate simmers without constant adjustment. The burner variety covers everything from gentle warming to high-heat searing. The smart features via the ThinQ app took a few attempts to connect initially, but once set up, they work reliably. The smart diagnosis feature that transmits data directly to LG for troubleshooting is genuinely helpful for problem solving. The air fry function works surprisingly well for a range-based system. I tested everything from frozen fries to chicken wings, and results were crisp and evenly cooked. The air sous vide feature is unique and produces restaurant-quality results for proteins. The self-clean function is straightforward and effective. The digital display on the slanted panel is easy to read and navigate. After months of heavy use, all functions continue to work perfectly. The feature set justifies the price point, and the cooking performance backs up the technology. For cooks who want modern convenience with solid fundamentals, this range delivers. After 8 months of testing, the Wolf DF366 takes the crown as the ultimate gas range. When people think of pro-style ranges, Wolf is the first name that comes to mind, and after extensive testing, I understand why. The reputation for excellence is completely justified. The versatile cooktop offers precise control across the entire heat range, from the gentlest simmer to searing temperatures that rival restaurant equipment. Every burner lights instantly and maintains consistent output. The dual-fuel design pairs Wolf's legendary gas cooktop with their electric convection oven, delivering the best possible cooking experience. The oven heats evenly, maintains accurate temperatures, and produces consistently excellent results, whether you're baking delicate pastries or roasting large cuts of meat. The build quality is exceptional. Every component feels engineered to last decades, not years. The knobs, handles, grates, and interior surfaces all demonstrate the premium materials and construction that justify the price. The 36-inch size provides serious cooking capacity without overwhelming most kitchens. The 6-burner configuration with varying BTU outputs handles any cooking scenario. The large oven cavity accommodates multiple dishes or oversized items easily. After months of intensive testing, this range continues to perform flawlessly. It's an investment that transforms how you cook and will likely outlast several kitchen renovations. You wanted the best? You got it. That's all for today, everyone. I hope this helps you find a gas range that actually improves your cooking instead of fighting you every meal. If this video helped you out, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more real-world appliance testing where I actually cook with this stuff so you know what you're getting into. I'll see you in the next one. Cook on!